Hello students, this is the fourth part of our second lesson. It is 1.2 on to the summit we reach the top. So open your books, page number 70. On this page number, paragraph number 5th from this during the last. Now listen carefully. During the last 50 feet from the peak it means the pointed top of the mountain. In the last part I have told you meaning of this word. During the last 50 feet from the peak, Hillary and I were moving about 20 feet apart. Apart it means, see the meaning of this word? Apart it means separated by a specified distance. During the last 50 feet from the peak, Hillary and I were moving about 20 feet apart. So here we are getting information. At the time when the peak, it means the pointed top of that mountain, was about 50 feet distance. So at that time, Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, they were moving, and that time the distance between both of these were about 20 feet, and 20 feet it means nothing. We were tied together. Tied it means tightly stretched. Tied together with a rope. So that time, both Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, they were tightly stretched themselves with a rope. That rope attached to the waist of Tenzing Norgay, and the same rope attached with the waist of Hillary. Most of the time the rope was loose, but when we went over dangerous ground, we drove it taut. Drove it means past tense of draw, and draw it means pull. Another word is there, taut. Taut also has the same meaning, tightly stretched. Tightly stretched. So most of the time the rope which was attached to the Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, that rope was always very loose. But when they were at a very dangerous place, at a very dangerous ground where they were moving very cautiously, at that time they kept their rope very tight. This rope was a symbol. So what is the symbol? This rope is the symbol of unity. It tied us together, and because of that rope, both the people, Tenzing and Hillary, were attached with each other. They were not separate from each other. That was the symbol of unity, attachment. One could not move without the other. And what kind of attachment that was? If anyone want to move, but the person who is behind, he is not moving, so the person who is at the starting place, that person also cannot move from his place. So if they want to go up, that time both the people need to move together. We were not two individuals but a team. Individuals, it means But okay. So here Tenzing Norgay is giving us information that we were not separate, we were not two people, we were only one team and we were working as a team. I have been asked many times, who was first? Now here Tenzing Norgay is giving us information that after completing that mission, climbing on the top of Everest mountain, when he came back, that time many people asked him one question, who was the first? It means who first reached on the top, on the summit of Mount Everest? It was Hillary or it was Tenzing Norgay. When we were within reach of the summit, I did not think of who was going to be first. Now here Tenzing Norgay is giving us information when they were near the summit of Mount Everest. That time there were no thought in his mind that who is going to reach at first on that summit. I am sure that Hillary was not thinking that. And Tenzing is telling us that whatever I am thinking, that was also Hillary thinking at that time. Climbing takes all your attention. So when you are climbing on this kind of very dangerous mountain, that time your attention is always on climbing very slowly, very carefully. You didn't think anything about, you do not think about who is going to first. You only think you have to reach on that summit. You have many more important worries. So when climbing on this kind of mountain, that time you have many problems, many worries which are very important to pass away. And this thing, who is going to first, this thing is normal at that time. What does it matter whether I reach the top first or Hillary? Now here, Tenzing Norgay is asking a question. So what is the matter if Hillary reached first or I reached first? What is the matter? We both reached there, that is most important. Our main thought was that both of us, both it means two. Both of us reached the top. Both it means two. So the main thought of Hillary and Tenzing Norgay was to reach on that summit, on to the top of Mount Everest. We had to, and that was decided by both of them. They didn't think who is going to first. They just only thinking that we have to reach on that top. One couldn't do it alone, and both of them know. These two people, Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, knows that they alone cannot pass or reach on the summit. They need help of each other to reach there. If there had been a difference of 1000 feet between us, then one could make the claim that he was first. So, Tenzing Norgay is telling us that if there was a difference between Tenzing Norgay and Hillary of about 1000 feet, then anybody can tell that Tenzing Norgay reached first and Hillary next, or Hillary reached first and Tenzing Norgay then. But there was not a 1000 kilometer distance, there was distance between them about 20 feet, and 20 feet it means nothing. Then one could make the claim that he was first, but even then only the man behind him could confirm the distance between the two of them. But even though the man who is behind, that person can decide how much distance they need between them and how much distance is important to reach on a particular position. So in this way, here we are going to stop. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.